Hello, luminous souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today's journey is about something truly magical. Best crystals for meditation. Transform your mind and space with gem power. Imagine combining the ancient power of crystals with the transformational energy of meditation. The result? A practice that can calm your mind, amplify your intentions, and cleanse your energy field like never before. Want to deepen your meditation practice? Or are you just crystal curious and ready to tap into the ancient partnership of gems and consciousness? Stick around. You'll discover the science, spiritual wisdom, and step-by-step methods to harness crystal power for deep healing and heightened energy. Ready to center yourself with the natural beauty and energy of gems? Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our spiritual deep dives. Let's start at the foundation. What is crystal meditation? It's the practice of using programmed, high-vibration crystals to deepen your meditation, amplify your intentions, and connect with your higher self. It is the intentional practice of using gemstones and minerals as focal points or energy amplifiers during meditation. Crystals have been used for thousands of years in Egypt, India, Tibet, and by indigenous peoples, woven into rituals for health, awareness, and spiritual connection. When you meditate with them, their vibrations sync with your energy field, helping you reach deeper states of awareness. Every crystal vibrates at a certain frequency, and so does your body. Crystals are not only beautiful, they're focus objects, energy amplifiers, and reminders of the Earth's wisdom. Meditation with gems can bring groundedness, clarity, healing, and expansion. Best of all, the practice can be tailored for anyone, whether you seek calm, focus, intuitive awakening, or space clearing. Here's why it's more powerful than regular meditation. Crystals absorb and transmute negative energy. They amplify your intentions, like a spiritual microphone. Specific stones activate different chakras, for example amethyst for the third eye. Science even suggests that crystals emit piezoelectric effects, tiny electrical charges that interact with our biofield. Whether you believe in the science or the spirituality, thousands of people swear by their effects. Now, let's talk about the best crystals for meditation and how to pick yours. So, how do you actually meditate with crystals for the most powerful inner and outer shift? Choosing your crystal. Clear quartz. Clear quartz is the master healer. It amplifies any intention, making it perfect for manifesting during meditation. Best for clarity, focus, and energy amplification. Amethyst. Amethyst is the ultimate meditation stone. It calms the mind, enhances intuition, and opens the third eye. Best for deep meditation, lucid dreaming, and stress relief. Three-rose quartz. Rose quartz vibrates with unconditional love. Use it to heal emotional wounds or attract love. Best for heart chakra work and self-love meditations. Black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is your energetic bodyguard. It grounds you and repels negativity. Best for shielding during meditation, great for empaths. Selenite. Selenite connects you to divine energy. It's also self-cleansing. Best for angelic communication and high-vibe meditations. Prepare your space. Find a quiet, comfortable spot. Cleanse both your crystal and your environment. Use smoke, sound, or a little salt water if safe for your stone. Set the mood, light a candle, play soft music, or set up a simple altar with flowers and your chosen stone. Set your intention. Hold the crystal, close your eyes, and state your intention, like, I attract peace. Feel the energy sink. Position the crystal. Place it on your body, example, amethyst on forehead, or hold it. Lay down or sit comfortably. Begin meditating. Breathe deeply. Visualize the crystal's energy merging with yours. Let go of thoughts. Hold your crystal in your non-dominant hand, receiving, or place it on your body, heart, third eye, or solar plexus, depending on intention. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and visualize a gentle light radiating from the stone, flowing into you. Feel its unique energy merging with your own. Use the crystal as your anchor. If your mind wanders, return your awareness to its weight, temperature, or surface. You can silently repeat an affirmation such as, I am grounded and supported, or peace flows through me. To amplify the energy, try a simple grid. Arrange several stones around you in a circle, or place them in the four corners of the room for space clearing. Meditation can also be done with crystals placed on chakra points for deep balancing and clearing. Close the session. Thank your crystal. Journal any insights. cleanse it again after. Notice subtle and big shifts. Are you calmer, more creative, more clear-headed, or does your space feel better afterward? Crystal meditation isn't about instant magic, but about accumulating harmony and insight over time. Crystal meditation is your invitation to slow down, to listen to your wisdom, and to align your body, heart, and environment with nature's gifts. Each stone you work with opens a new chapter of healing, focus, and transformation. Experiment, mix and match stones, try different placements, and stay open to your intuition. Remember, even a few mindful minutes can create ripples of clarity and peace in a noisy world. If this video inspired you, please hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more practical guides and meditative journeys. Share your favorite crystal in the comments. Even snap a picture of your crystal meditation setup. And don't forget to check the guided meditations playlist. Until next time. Your energy is precious, and your crystals are here to help you remember that.